in the store and we're going to get my drawing supplies, but we're going to buy toys for now. Mom, what do you think about this vlog?
It's not fit for your drawing fit yan.
Drawing kit, but it's so nice. Let's keep looking. Teddy bears!
Nakawala sa hawla. Tingin-tingin lang, wala naman siyang pambili.
Oh, what is this?
What's that? Sige na. Let's make hanap na muna yung ano mo. If you have sobra your savings money, we're going to buy that. Oh, sige na, you put it there muna. Hanap muna tayo ng drawing materials. Okay? Go.
Where's the drawing materials store? Shop. Wow! So cute! I'm exploring this place. Wow! I love this place. I want to go here every day.
But you're magastos man. You're not saving your money. Look, oh. True. Madi, oh. Mermaid.
Mermaid! Oh, look at this. No, for babies.
For babies.
Oh, what are these? No, so cute.
Baby dolls.
Yeah, so cute. I need to find something.
Dito ba, oh?
Oh,
It's a train. Wow. It's cute.
I don't know what to get here.
You put it back muna yan. We're going to go to the paint drawing section. I thought you're going to buy drawing skills mo.
I'm going to get slime too.
Slime din to?
Oh, that's nice. Look at this. It's a little bunny. Hop, hop, hop.
Oh, sige, you choose one lang.
What? Oh, since I like ice cream so much, I'm getting this ice cream.
Pangit yung lagayan yan, di.
But I love ice cream.
So, maganda to. Pwede mo lagyan ng after, oh. Yung mga
Activator?
abubot mo. Ikaw lang. How much is that, ah? May see?
No.
May see yung price. Ayan, oh.
Oh wait, I got a lot of choices. I got.
Notebook?
Mommy, so cute.
You can draw it here.
Yeah.
Mm.
And I'm getting one more. Because it's
One lang.
okay. Here. What else do we need?
Wait lang. I'm going to get basket, ha?
Okay. Wait.
No, doon. Hanap ka doon. Oh, I see your basket.
Only 3 stuff I got. I need to get more.
Yung drawing mo doon pa tayo sa lika.
I'm just going to.
Ano yan?
Markers.
Sorry, sa inyo niyang kakabalo.
Oh, see?
Ay, may I see. How much is that, ha?
Okay,
Yung kunti lang na marker, hindi ito pwede din.
but I like it.
Yung maliit lang na marker, kulang yung pera mo, di ba?
Pero marami.
Ito, oh.
Uy, uy, uy.
Wait ka, ah. Tingnan natin how much is.
Uy, ito. Ang kunti lang.
Ito.
Ang kunti
Ito, oh, mura ito, oh.
Oh, so cheaper.
Hmm.
Oh, paint supplies.
Ah?
Paint supplies. This one.
Okay.
Cheap. Pero we shouldn't have that, right?
Hmm.
Okay, oh, crayon.
Hindi na may crayon ka pa.
Ano to?
Hindi yan. Halika, hindi yan. Put it back. You put it back, hindi yan. Yun lang muna sa yung maliit. Hindi yan pwede.
Maganda to.
Hindi yan, be. That's for ano yan.
What?
You put it Bakit hindi yan pwede?
Go get more stuff.
Kaya mo ba yan?
I need some more stuff.
Enough na yan.
What are these?
Hindi. Hindi yan. Doon. Yan, tingin ka ng slipper mo.
What about this one? That's too small. Just kidding.
Hanap ka na. Doon. Hanap ka doon.
And then get these.
That's too big naman.
Susuotin at the store.
Malaki? Ha? Malaki?
That's it. Are you kidding?
Hindi. Ito din isa-isa. Itong isa. Ay.
Pang babae na to.
Sige na. Get one lang. One lang, Madi, ha? Sige, iwan na kita dito. Just choose one. Next time again.
I don't know what to choose. There's a lot of things.
Choose na.
I don't know. I don't know, Mom.
Oh, sige na. Babay ka na. Sinita, uwi na tayo. Babay ka na muna, Be.
Bye-bye.
What will going to say?
Please subscribe to my channel.
Thank you na. Thank you ka na.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel so I can get more new videos like this. Bye-bye. I'll see you in my next video.
God bless.